Hill again. Starting to ease up a bit. Got a car behind me somewhere. Can hear it. Oh, 21 to go. Your beauty. Pure. Smell the brakes. Oh. 53, 54, 5. Whoa. If I'm not mistaken, around next bend or two should be a archway where the road's cut into, or cut through it, I should say. Mini tunnel. Fascinating. This jacket's good. There's the parachutes. I can't take my eyes off of the road. Got to keep an eye on the road. Hey, ciao ciao. There's, hang on, let's get a shot of them. Oh, see, there they are. 2 there, 1 there. There's one right up there. He's pretty close, actually. But look at the view that you get across here. There's one more there. Almost looks motorised. Fantastic. Let's keep going. Oh, fucking jeez. What was that? Bloody hell. Didn't even see it. Felt that in my hands. Jeez. Oh, here they are. See the hang gliders? I'm not sure where they're launching from. Check them out. Oh well, here we go. What are we at? What number? 16. Ah, 16 to go. Alright, 16 to go. Oh. Jeez, look how steep that is. Oh, 13 already. And then there'll be a junction point where we'll be able to see them. That is the one still going uphill. Wow, there they are. He's come across the road. There he is. He seems to be sitting in a cradle. Let's see where he is. Oh, he's over there. Watch out for bumps. Jeez. Oh, I wanted to take that, it was a bit wide. Damn it, he had to be there. Luckily I saw that motorbike in the corner of the eye. The old peripheral vision. Rider. Oh, he's getting closer to me, damn. Yeah, old JC here. Have a look at that. Jeez. Haven't seen much in the way of flash cars around. The humidity. Oh, bad time to try to swing out. I'm going to stuff it into my pocket. Where am I supposed to put it? Jesus, pockets are all full. Now that booklet. Here we go. Shove, shove, shove. Ugh. A few more riders. And away we go. For a minute there I thought it was Emanuele and Robert. Managed to catch him pretty quick, that's for sure. Looks like an oldie. He's got with, oh shit, indicating. At 10:55, I hope to, well I should be able to make Cittadella before 12. Where is everybody? I'm sure I'm at the right petrol station. Where's Claude and Matteo and all that? And there's Matteo. There's Matteo. Hello. Dici hello Australia.
Ciao, hello.
Hello John.
Monte John.
Se la vede John.
Numero uno Sebastian.
Big fan.